Hello friends, my name is Justin Chen. So let's introduce this Howell 6x4 tipper truck. This is a used Howell 6x4 tipper truck, and production year is 2014. Engine power is 371. We have done our refurbished truck. We have changed the front lights, changed the new tire. New tire size is 12R 22.5. The engine also we make check and repair, and everything works very well condition. The cargo box is new. The bottom is 8 millimeter. The side wall is 6 millimeter. Please check the detail. This is welding. This part is welding. This is glue. We sealed all the gaps with glue, so that the water cannot get into the side beam, so there's no rust. Make the lifetime of this truck much longer. This is new tire also, same size, best quality. Not fake. But this, if you change the tire on this truck in China, the price would be much lower than in your country. This is the springs with a double U-type bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's come to the end. This is a big axle, AC16. Very durable, and the inside gearbox is very nice. We have already opened and checked. This big axle, you can see the biggest axle from here. So this is the big axle, not small. This is big. This oil tanker is 400 liter. Check here. Hiva. Yes, this is original Hiva hydraulic system cylinder. So let's check the inside of the cabin. Inside the driving cab, we have changed almost everything. The drive seat is new, not only the bottom and the back, also the base of the seat we have changed also, and the bed is new. Here is, you see, it's a soft floor is new. Top and the side, everything is new. Even the boat, this boat is new. So the client and the driver will have a very nice driving experience when you buy our truck, but with a very low price. Thank you.